Hello dentcoin holders, how are you? Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video I'm talking about dentcoin. You know what, in this time a lot of dentcoin holders ask me questions about dentcoin, that what should we do in this critical situation. Is it a best time to buy, is it a best time to sell, is it a best time to hold dentcoin? So in this video I will show you, my friends. Keep watching this video for more details and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. If you subscribe my channel, so you will get the latest update of cryptocurrency market. Let's start the video, my friends. First of all, the latest price of the Dent coin is 0.003463 USD dollar. That is the latest price of the Dent coin. On the other side, if we look the price changes of the Dent coin, so the last 1 hour price change of the Dent coin is positive, except of the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week price change occur in the Dent coin is negative. Completely the price of Dent coin is falls down. Completely fast time occurs in the Dent coin, my friends. Let me show you, my friends, the price chart of the Dent coin. Completely, oh my goodness, the last 1 hour price change, the last a 60-minute price change of the Dent coin is going good, and now in the last 60 minutes the Dent coin start pumping. I hope, my friends, I hope that Dent coin will continue this pump for a long time, and if salute you, we all will get a good amount of profit from a Dent coin, my friends. So in this time the price change of Dent coin is going good, but my friends, as I show you, my friends, in the start of this video, that the last 1 week, last 1 month price changes of Dent coin is negative. So if these changes is still negative, so that's mean that you are in the loss, my friends. For instance, if you decide to sell Dent coin on this price, so the current price of Dent is very low, so for profit, my friends, you have to hold. So in my recommendation for all of you is that it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. Please hold it and don't decide to sell. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about Dent coin? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. Thanks for watching this video, my friends.